Imagine this. You're doing a math question, and you're confident. You multiply, you add, you subtract, and then you get the answer totally wrong. How? You did all the steps. Well, turns out you didn't follow the secret math rule. It's called BODMAS or BIDMAS. Don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm going to teach you how to never mess up a math question like that again. So let's learn what BODMAS is and how to use it like a pro. What is BODMAS or BIDMAS? So first, what even is BODMAS? It's the order in which you solve parts of a math problem. BODMAS stands for brackets, orders like powers or square roots, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. You always follow that exact order when solving. Additionally, if you're in the UK, you might see BIDMAS, where the I stands for indices, which is the same as powers. Same rule, just a different word. Why BODMAS is important. If you don't follow BODMAS, your answer might be wrong. It tells you what comes first. Like, do you multiply before adding? Yes, multiply always comes before add. Let's see it in action. Example 1, 4 plus 2 times 3. You might think 4 plus 2 equals 6, then times by 3 equals 18. Wrong. We use BODMAS. Multiplication comes before addition. So 2 times 3 equals 6, then 4 plus 6 equals 10. Recom example 2, 4 plus 2 times 3. Now we have brackets. B comes before everything in BODMAS, so do brackets first. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then 6 times 3 equals 18. Example 3. 3 plus 2 squared. Orders or indices next. 2 squared means 2 times 2, which is 4. Now 3 plus 4 equals 7. Example 4. 12 divided by 3 plus 6 times 2. Now we've got division and multiplication. In BODMAS, we do both from left to right. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 6 times 2 equals 12. Now add 4 plus 12 equals 16. Example 5. 10 minus 2 plus 3. Now we have subtraction and addition. Again, just go left to right. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Example 6. 2 plus 3 squared minus 4 times 2. Step 1, brackets. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Step 2, orders. 5 squared equals 25. Step 3, multiplication. 4 times 2 equals 8. Step 4, subtraction. 25 minus 8 equals 17. Example 7. 36 divided by 3 plus 2 squared. Step 1, brackets. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Step 2, division. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Step 3, orders. 2 squared equals 4. Step 4, add. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Quick recap. Brackets always come first. Then orders, indices, like squares or powers. Then division and multiplication, left to right. Then addition and subtraction, left to right. Use BODMAS every time you see more than one operation. Now your turn. Test time. Question 1. What is 5 plus 6 times 2? If you got 17, you are correct. Question 2. What is 5 plus 6 times 2? If you got 22, you are correct. And just like that, you're now a BODMAS/BIDMAS master. No more getting tricked by sneaky brackets or bossy exponents. You now know the rule. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In that order, every time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you really liked it, consider subscribing for more fun math videos. Oh, and if you want help understanding school math better, I also give tuitions. See you in the next one. Peace out and stay smart.